Most people think liver damage only happens to heavy drinkers, but here's the scary truth. Your liver can be in serious trouble even if you've never touched alcohol. And the worst part, you probably won't notice a single warning sign until it's almost too late. Take Daniel, for example. He was 32, fit enough to run with his dog, never a heavy drinker, and health conscious on paper. He worked at a desk, grabbed takeout sometimes, fueled long projects with energy drinks, and thought liver disease was something that happened to other people. One morning he woke up exhausted, the kind of tired coffee couldn't fix. Over the next few weeks, he became more forgetful, felt bloated after meals, and noticed his ankles were a bit puffy. He shrugged it off, blaming stress, and kept going. Then came one routine blood test. His liver enzymes were high, and ultrasound revealed fat and inflammation. The doctor's words hit him like a punch. Your liver is damaged. Daniel's reaction? But I don't drink. And that's the truth. You don't need alcohol to wreck your liver. In fact, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is now one of the most common chronic diseases worldwide. And a large chunk of those affected are people who don't drink at all. Why? Because modern life overloads the liver with work it wasn't designed to handle. Processed foods, too much sugar, environmental toxins, medications, sitting for hours, poor sleep, and metabolic stress. The liver manages quietly for years, until one day it can't. In this video, I'm going to show you why your liver can fail even without alcohol and the practical steps you can take over 30 days to reduce liver stress and start reversing damage. But first, we need to understand the map. What really happens when food hits your system. When you eat, the process begins immediately. You chew, swallow, and food travels down the esophagus into your stomach, where acids and enzymes start breaking it down. From there, it moves into the small intestine, where fats, proteins, and sugars are absorbed into tiny blood vessels. Now, here's the twist. That nutrient-rich blood doesn't go straight to the heart. Most of it heads to the liver through the portal vein. Think of it as a highway delivering everything you just ate straight to your liver's processing plant. The liver gets two blood supplies, the portal vein carrying nutrients from the gut, and the hepatic artery bringing oxygen-rich blood from the heart. This makes the liver the first major stop for almost everything entering your body. Its responsibilities are huge: storing energy, converting sugars, processing fats, producing bile and cholesterol, metabolizing hormones, breaking down drugs and toxins, and even manufacturing proteins that keep your blood clotting and immune system strong. Essentially, it's a factory and a filter combined. When the liver receives a normal, balanced meal, it handles the load easily. But in the modern world, we constantly challenge it with sugar spikes, processed fats, chemical additives, pesticides, and medications. Over time, this overload causes fat to accumulate in liver cells, the first stage of NAFLD. As fat builds up, oxidative stress increases, inflammation rises, and liver cells start to get injured. The immune system responds, inflammation persists, and eventually, scar tissue can form. Left unchecked, this can progress to cirrhosis, where liver function is severely impaired. The key point: fatty liver and liver damage are often driven by metabolic stress. Insulin resistance, excess refined carbs and fructose, too many calories, and low activity. That's why even seemingly healthy people who don't drink can develop serious liver disease. The good news is, the liver is extraordinarily regenerative. Remove or reduce these stressors and it can heal. People with early fatty liver often see measurable improvements in just weeks or months. That's exactly why the 30-day liver reset exists. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to follow over 30 days. No detox teas, no extreme cleanses, just practical, science-based actions you can do every day. Over 30 days, the goal is to shift your body from a storage state into a fat-burning, repair-focused mode. Daily foundations for liver health. Start with the basics that really matter. Avoid alcohol entirely. Even small amounts add to your liver's workload. Cut out sugary drinks, fruit juices, and highly processed beverages. Stick with water, lemon water, or herbal teas. Hydration is crucial because it supports bile flow and helps your liver flush toxins efficiently. Sleep is another pillar of liver repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Disrupted sleep increases inflammation, insulin resistance, and metabolic stress, all of which challenge liver function. Movement is equally important. Research shows even moderate daily activity, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, improves insulin sensitivity and reduces liver fat. Resistance training a few times per week further helps muscles store glucose and reduces metabolic stress on the liver. Finally, cut ultra-processed foods. Studies consistently link refined sugars, trans fats, and packaged foods to fatty liver. If a food comes in a box with ingredients you can't pronounce, skip it. Stick to whole, minimally processed foods. What to eat to support liver repair? Focus on vegetables, especially cruciferous ones like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, which support detoxifying enzymes in the liver. Pair them with fiber-rich foods like legumes and whole grains to slow sugar spikes and promote bioclearance. Include lean proteins, fish, chicken, lentils, and beans to help rebuild liver tissue. Healthy fats from olive oil, avocado, nuts, and fatty fish support cell membrane repair and reduce inflammation. Limit added sugar to under 25 grams per day. Avoid sodas, sweetened yogurts, and packaged snacks. Certain foods provide extra liver protection. Garlic, turmeric with black pepper, green tea, beets, artichokes, and leafy greens all contain compounds shown to support liver enzymes and reduce oxidative stress. Moderate coffee consumption can also be beneficial. Studies show it may reduce the risk of liver fibrosis, though sugary creamers should be avoided. Reducing toxins. Avoid unnecessary painkillers like acetaminophen and always follow dosage guidelines. Reduce environmental exposures. Wash produce to remove pesticides, use natural cleaning products, and minimize contact with workplace chemicals. Even air pollution contributes to oxidative stress, so consider simple indoor air improvements if needed. Tracking progress. If possible, check liver health before and after the 30 days with blood tests like ALT, AST, GGT, fasting glucose, HbA1c, and lipid panels. Imaging tests like ultrasound or fibroscan can show liver fat and stiffness. These measures help you see real improvements. Always consult a healthcare provider before major changes or supplement use. After 30 days, people commonly notice more energy, less brain fog, reduced bloating, improved digestion, and sometimes modest weight loss. Biochemically, liver fat decreases and enzymes improve with consistent lifestyle changes. Remember, this is a reset, not a miracle. The goal is to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and give your liver an environment where it can heal. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be consistent. Start with small, actionable steps. Finish dinner earlier, drink more water, or walk for 30 minutes each day. These small actions compound over time, giving your liver a chance to heal. Your liver works quietly every day. Don't wait until it screams. Start your 30-day reset now and give it the support it needs to repair, regenerate, and protect your health. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more health tips like this. Share this video with someone you care about. A friend or family member might be surprised by how important liver health is. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions.